Have you wondered about starting your own business with low capital? Everyone says successful business needs lots of investments and ideas. But in reality, successful business doesn't need lots of money. It's all about making your ideas work. Many people are willing to start their business, but thinking about investments make people struggle. But more than investment, a business needs innovative ideas, strong determination and confidence. Before starting a GPS business, let's understand what is GPS, what does GPS stands for. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It is a global navigation satellite system that locates an object's exact position with time and speed. Now let's discuss the working of a GPS with an example. Consider 3 satellites in various positions. The first satellite transmits a signal that hits your GPS receiver. When the satellite already knows the GPS device distance, so that the distance is taken as a radius and forms a circle. Now the same thing happens with the second satellite signal when it hits the GPS device. This time we know the GPS receives distance from the 2 satellites with 2 circle interaction points. Now here the third satellite reveals the exact location of the GPS device. Actually, the interaction point of the 3 satellites are considered at the GPS device position, and it is how the GPS works. Now coming to the GPS business ideas. Why GPS and is GPS worth it? GPS is widely used in many sectors like transportation and logistics, mining, marine, construction and surveying and mapping. Many sectors like navigation, fleet management, road traffic monitoring use GPS. Now coming to the main concern, that where to approach and how to start. Steps to start a successful GPS business. Step 1. Find the right partner for your success. Half of your business success depends on the business partner. So find the right partner to make your business successful. Doing business with industry expertise make your business base strong. Step 2. Choose the best GPS system. Every GPS device and GPS software in the market is not the same. Each one is manufactured for a different purpose and gives the different output. So, to choose the best GPS system, identify and understand the market needs. First, analyze and follow the current trend. Second, understand the sales of commercial vehicles and their market. Step 3. Consider and collect every GPS tracking system you come across in the bucket. Ask for a demonstration of every GPS tracking system you collect in the bucket. Step 3. Choose a best GPS provider. Choose a successful provider who came from your place, who gives solution to your business needs, and who provides a user-friendly platform and constant customer support. Step 4. Make your own brand with white labeling. With white labeling, we recommend you to come up with a recognition who you are and what you exactly provide. What do you get from GPS software white labeling? First, secure and reliable GPS tracking software application in your branding. Second, mobile application for both Android and iOS. Third, application with API integration. Step 5th, market your brand. If you want your brand to be an established one, the foremost step to create a website for your brand clearly defines its purpose. Create a modern website, create pages and channels over social media, analyze the market and target your audience, create advertisement. Here are some digital marketing tips on low budget. First, advertise for free by creating digital posters, catalogs, and Facebook groups, etc. Make use of Google AdWords. Third, take the help of social media like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and YouTube to market your products. Now, are you interested to start your own GPS business? Looking for your own white labeling software? Don't go anywhere. We at Vamosys provides white labeling GPS tracking software. So, now why should you choose Vamosys? We are here to support your business. Vamosys, a leading GPS supplier company offering top brands, GPS devices, fuel level sensors, software GPS tracking systems, fuel monitoring solutions, and fleet management systems. Even we, Vamosis, assist, support, and guide your business. Also, Vamosis provides dealership with business plans. We help you in the proper training and also provides 24/7 customer support team. So, at last, a bonus tip to be successful in your business. Always have a clear definition of what you sell, why do you want to sell, and to whom do you want to sell. This question makes you achieve in the market. To start a successful GPS business, you can kindly contact us through marketing@vamosis.com or through sales@vamosis.com.